video. This is Brent from Premium Nautical. We're on board the 2017 Four Winns HD220RS Outboard that we have listed for sale. We've just been up to Semblebong to have the engine serviced, and we're on our way back, and we're currently parked outside Pool here. And then on the other side of us we have Changi Sailing Club in the distance. But this is the boat. We're just bobbing around a wee bit. There's a few wakes off the ferries going past. But yeah, this is the helm. Like I say, the engine was just serviced. We have done just on 70 hours on this boat now, and it is 2.5 years old since we launched it. As you can see, it's got AIS on the GPS as well. We've just been cruising on the flat water here at about 5,500 RPM and cruising on very comfortably at 30 knots. This is the bow area. Obviously nice wide seating on the HD series, because there's the hybrid deck is what the HD stands for, and you've got lots of storage underneath the seating, of course. We've got inflatable toys and things under there. The forward one does have the cooler box built in as well, which is very useful, and we have an anchor locker up the front. So it's just a manual throw anchor. So if you look down the side there, you'll see some line and chain and an anchor. Also pull-up cleats as well, which are a very nice feature, and the shower in the bow. There you go, turn around. We can see it's quite a nice open area. We don't have the cockpit carpets down at the moment. There are carpets, but we just don't use them when we're doing deliveries. And you have the nice comfortable seats with the obviously the flip-up bolster. And then we have obviously the opposite side over here. The nice seat storage. One of the good things about these outboard models, of course, is we actually do have a very large storage area underneath the seat, which opens up from the back. Basically that is where the engine would go if you bought the stern drive version. Forward of that we do have obviously more storage. We've got the battery switches, fire extinguishers, everything, and then under these seats there's more storage, and including a small cooler box as well, and plenty more storage box under the floor. With very big storage, we've just got a few ropes and a few fenders and things in there at the moment. And then inside here, it's full of the boat covers and the life rings and everything, but there is actually a porta potty in there as well. Once again, I don't think that's ever been used, which is fairly standard on these boats. Okay, that's the boat. And then of course we do have the nice bright colour scheme on this boat. Very hard to see from this angle, but it does have the bright yellowy colour scheme. So that's the boat. Once again, the bow area is nice, lots of seating. This boat is registered with the SZ Singapore Port Harbour licence, and that is registered for 12 people, so you can bring all your friends. And obviously it has the bimini shade with the wakeboard arch, so you do have the towing point if you want to go wakeboarding, and obviously just a long line to stay well away from the clear of the outboard engine, which is standard with wakeboarding and towing of people. So that's the boat.